Oh, my nice Sandy Geo, see? Sweet field. Oh, there's a there. Having a look at that, see what it's tide, it's still going. Hours is the slack tide, so right. Yeah, the flow looks down a bit. Yeah, the little window. Just gonna nose out and seeing what it's like round the headland. Well, not round the headland. I like to do that. A lot of white horses out there. That'll be a bit of fun. About an hour before slack tide. There's a little tide there, it doesn't look too much. So I'm just going to go around the stack. Not a problem. That whole cliff looks fragile. Don't let it go too long before you have that total collapse. It's a lovely day to be in Sinclair Bay. Nice gentle waves here. This is where the lighthouse keeper's boat used to come in. Yep, there's a walkway. Now used to be done. Used to be planks coming over there. I almost get through there. There's just a shallow rock just at the end. There's a bit on land. Folding there, which had occurred when the tilt rock beds were being tilted. Right, back to Ackergill now. So that's the shags, small speech of cormorant, just diving down, having some for some food. What are we at? 14:08 hours. A nice August day. So we can see Douglas Head in the distance and the Scurry, Middle Scurry, the largest one. And the Henderson Stack. Nice shape there. You can actually see the strata quite well here. Back ever. Reminds me a bit of Sinclair Girnigoe Castle, the difference between the nice sort of ordered sort of stonework and the cliff below. So you can see something's happened in geological time, that you've got these nice smooth horizontal layers and you've got deck strata here. So it's almost like there's erosion here, and then something changed in either river flow into the Lake Ackergill, or it could be, you know, it's just a change in rainfall or something, you know, or a slower deposition, or earth movements and then erosion. So when we tilt, it looks like there's some type of either slumping or earth movement, because there it's starting to become a bit more horizontal. You notice there's an eye there, so I don't know if climbers or a boat's put that in the past to move, tie on to. Sometimes you get different perspectives and go in a different direction on a paddle. So there's a around this stack here, the one at November Delta 37553. So you can see the undercut cliffs here quite clearly. There. There's a nice little arch in here. Can't quite get around it. We have the cave here. There's a fault line you can see there. See the slip showing quite clearly, and a bit of a brecciated rock. So don't go in too far here. Yeah. Ah, looks like some flowstone here as well, actually. So flowstone, a limestone, calcium carbonate. So the calcic veins are the calcic cement, and the cliffs here will dissolve to form calcium hydrogen carbonate, the old name calcium bicarbonate, and it's redeposited as limestone from its place of origin or dissolution. So that's That's at November Delta 375547. And here we can see beautiful lighting today. And here we can see some nice, lovely red sandstone in the stack here. So red due to oxidised iron. Basically hydrated rust, Fe2O3. Sometimes nice just taking your time and having a look at what nature is actually produced. And you can see there's a vein going right through it. It's calcite, calcium carbonate. Hot minerals that come from deeper down. And the rocks have been fractured after being formed during the Middle Devonian 390 million years ago. And this is quite interesting. You've got the window on top of this lintel here. A nice little cave in here. We have another cave, November Delta 376547. Nice beach at the end. Again, here we have a fault. There's this slip zone there. There's the rock dust. Sorry to disturb you. Nope, another one. There's quite a few boys in there. Little creels. Nice and quiet, other than the lapping of the waves.